大家好，呢度係我嘅利馬竇幼稚園，今日帶你哋嚟參觀一下啦，跟我嚟啦！你哋睇下，呢度就係我哋嘅課室啦。
Hello everyone! Where did you go during the weekend?
I went to the park with my brother.
That's so cool! And how about you, Loki? How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Which station do you want to go to later?
I want to play with my friend. Would you like to join us?
Yes, I would love to. Let's go! K1 嘅弟弟妹妹喺操場度玩緊啊！
你睇下個架子幾得意，真係好得意喎！你睇我嗰個呢？戶外活動係我最鍾意嘅環節。你哋睇下，佢哋真係玩得好開心啊！我哋嘅幼稚園真係好好玩㗎，好 beautiful 㗎！歡迎你哋同我一齊玩，我哋喺利馬竇幼稚園等你啊！